Warning! Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised.
Huwag ho kayo mananawa sa mga kuminsan ginagawa ho natin dito. Keep you updated. Kasi baka malunod na ho kayo sa mga information ho. Sabi nga ho natin, information overload. Sa mga balita, nagbibigay ho sila ng kanilang mga sinasabi ho natin statistics kung ilan ang napatay, ang bilang ho, galing ho sa kanilang investigative and research. Holy cow. Is there such thing as investigative and research? He's just keeping statistics as to ilan ang namatay. That's all he's saying. You're keeping a tally. That's still part of the news. Because if you're investigating, you go ahead and investigate the process kung paano pinatay, paano namatay, paano ang estilo, how the 5 W's and 1H. If you're only giving figures and you're giving update kung ilan ang patay dyan, that's not done by research. It's just a number, statistics. Okay? There's no point of analyzing because their business is counting dead bodies. If you're in the business of doing an investigative, then you need to analyze the process, the system, the pattern. And then investigate some more para malaman nyo kung nga ba tumpak totoo or nagsisinungaling or nga ba talaga may sinasabing abuse of authority or summary execution. That's what you need to do. But if you're just simply in the business of counting bodies, nagbibilang lang ho kayo ng bangkay, that's not done by an investigative research team. What are you trying to research? Oh, now I see. Counting dead bodies. Nagbibilang ng mga patay. Well, why don't you just go in a funeral business?